guys, and welcome back to another bullet journal plan with me video. Now before we jump in, I want to say thanks for all your support and be sure to give a thumbs up to continue to support this channel. If you are not subscribed, you can easily do that by clicking below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. So as always, you guys know I like to share the previous month with you and just show you how all the weekly spreads turned out. And last month was obviously May, and I went with a succulent / growth undertone type of theme. I really enjoyed doing this one. At first I thought it was pretty basic, but then all the feedback from you guys seemed like you really enjoyed it. So thank you so much. The first calendar was kind of a flop, but the habit tracker and the video planning pages were a hit. The goals pages I didn't end up using too much, so I'm definitely going to nix that in the next layout, while the shopping list was very helpful because I'm someone who loves to jot down small lists throughout the month. The first weekly spread was okay, but as you guys can see, I just hadn't started to use it much. I was just busy, but not paying attention to my bullet journal. And in the second spread, you guys can see that things kind of started to ramp up, and I also ended up using one of my own hacks, which is covering up a mistake that I did in the bottom right-hand corner. If you guys have not seen my bullet journal hacks video, be sure to click the eye icon right up here to the top right, and it will take you to that video. Now this layout is where things really started to pick up, and it was definitely one of my favorites. I just got a lot busier, and the bullet journal just always seemed to be around, so I definitely utilized it more. And this is my final layout for the May spread, and I ended up going with this cute little quote, "Growth comes with time," which is something that we all know and have experienced. And as always, I have my small monthly calendar to keep me updated throughout the weeks. Now, this final spread I want to wait to share with you guys, and it's my social media cleanse. If any of you follow me on any of my social media platforms, I decided to take a 30-day hiatus from social media starting in May. I just thought that I needed to give that time back to myself and just reconnect and also get connected with my goals. And so far I have listed to read a book, lose about 7 pounds, and start meditating. Those are very basic goals, but I also had more that I added on to this. And then also listed out pros and cons that I noticed as I spent more and more time away from social media. The cons are very petty and the pros are very strong. So one thing I've definitely been doing is just trying to learn more. I actually want to get back into reading like informational and self-help books, and I've also been using our video sponsor, which is Skillshare. You guys have heard me talk about Skillshare so many times because it is a platform that I use religiously to keep my brain stimulated. One thing I love about Skillshare is you can start out on one topic, like you guys know my particular topic is film, and you can end up down a black hole of classes just getting submerged in so many different things like design, photo, hand lettering, maybe learning how to sew. Skillshare offers like 17,000 classes. There's basically something there for everyone. Something else I love is they offer a premium membership for those of you that are really into learning and want to become experts in your field. For those of you that just want to dibble and dabble here and there and jump in, it is so affordable that you will not miss this money in your bank account. We're talking less than $10 a month to be fully submerged in so many different classes that can teach you so much about different crafts and also about yourself. So if you guys are interested in Skillshare, they're actually offering a 2-month free trial to the first 500 people that click the link below in my description bar. So be sure to click there to check out Skillshare if you haven't already, and I promise there is something on there for everyone. So I know some of you may be curious about how this cleanse has been going, so I will be doing a follow-up video just to kind of explain how it worked out for me and things that I found out about myself and about the hobbies and goals that I had. And here we are at the June layout with the outlines already done. I truly think you guys are going to enjoy this one because I really enjoy kind of mapping it out, and this is where the time lapse begins. So I definitely don't want to talk your ear off, but I also want to give you guys some background on this spread before I turn you over to the music. So I decided to go with a bee theme just because, it's getting warmer outside and I've been running into a lot more bumblebees, and so I wanted to share. And even though I am deathly afraid of bees and run away from every single one that I see, I think they are such miraculous bugs and they actually do such great things for our environment and also for our tummies. It's called honey. So I decided to go with a more watercolor type of theme and just basically not coloring too perfectly or in the lines and then tracing it back over with a black pen, just like I did with my succulent theme. If you have not seen my succulent video for the May spread, go ahead and click the eye icon in the top right to watch that video, and then you can come right on back to this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely leave me any feedback below, and I'm gonna send you over to the soundtrack. Alright guys, and this is the final spread. I think it came out so cute. I really think this is a theme that I can keep up with, so that makes me really happy. And I really do like yellow. I don't use it enough, and this theme definitely gave me the opportunity to do just that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any techniques or tools that I use, please let me know below. Also, I just enjoy hearing from you guys, so be sure to comment below because you know I will always comment back. Thank you guys so very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.